Hey guys, welcome back my Texas Young TV cooking channel. Today I am cooking again baby back ribs in Dr. Pepper. You guys are probably still wondering why in the heck I am cooking my ribs in the Dr. Pepper. Well, this is the best recipe out there in the world. You should try. Okay, and then let me explain this. I will be cooking this ribs in a slow cooker approximately 5 hours. And it will be put in the oven with the BBQ sauce on the top, additional 45 minutes. And you gotta see, and you gotta taste this. Alrighty guys, just follow me and I'll show you all the ingredients right here on the left. Hey guys, I just got this. I picked up from Walmart. I think it cost me around $11 a package. I just got this ribs out of the package. And what I'm gonna be doing right now is I am rinsing it with a cold water so I can get rid of all the blood. Okay guys, these are the ingredients that I'll be using today. It's going to be, first of all, let me say this is Dr. Pepper. Okay, this is the one that I'm going to be using. I'm not using any water. This is it, Dr. Pepper. And garlic powder, black pepper, and of course this is a brown sugar for sweet taste to it. And then these two things right here is the powder of cinnamon and ginger. It's optional, okay, but I like to use those because I wanted to get rid of the pork smell and after you cooked. So, but you can't overdo it, okay? You got to use a pinch, a little bit, sprinkle it a little bit. If you overdo it, you're gonna taste just like a cinnamon and ginger period. So you're gonna ruin the whole pork. So if you like to use it, go ahead and use it, but you have to go really lightly, okay? Okay, now I'll be adding the black pepper and garlic powder. Just sprinkle it lightly. And then black pepper. Okay, now I'll be adding ginger powder and cinnamon powder. I think this is too much too, but just a little pinch. And then I'll be adding cinnamon. Okay, and then we're gonna do the backside. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing on the backside. The garlic powder, black pepper, and then adding ginger powder, and then cinnamon. Okay, finally, I'm gonna be adding brown sugar on both sides. Just lightly sprinkle it. And then you can rub it. Make sure it gets into the meat. I'm adding almost 1 cup on the 2 slab of ribs. Flipping over, do the same thing over here. Now I'm gonna put it in my slow cooker and I'm gonna add Dr. Pepper in it. Yes, I did the same thing on the other rack of the ribs right here. And so I got 2 racks of ribs in the slow cooker. Now I'm gonna use a 1 Dr. Pepper. I think it's a 2 liters. Yeah, it is a 2 liters. That's all you need. One bottle of Dr. Pepper. And you just pour it gently. And then I'll be using about 3 leaf of bay leaves. Okay, and then I'm gonna add, you can put more, I think. Okay, this is it, and then I'm gonna cover it. And right now the time is 11:20. I think my dog is already smelling my ribs. He's barking. Here, I'm gonna cover it up, and I'm gonna set it on a high settings for next 5 hours. So it's gonna be 11:20. I'll be checking on 4:20. Okay, guys, I'll see you. And until then, I'll be drinking my Vietnamese coffee. Guys, we've been waiting so long. I think I cooked a little over 5 hours, and this is how it looks after 5 hours cooking. Yes, I just took these out of the slow cooker and left it in here at 370 degrees for 15 minutes. And then now I'm gonna pull them out, and then I'm gonna be putting the barbecue sauce on it. Okay, now I'm gonna put it back in for another 15 minutes in the oven. Looking good, guys. Very good, very good. I'm gonna flip it over. I'm gonna add more sauce to it, and I'm gonna bake about additional 5 minutes, and that's gonna be end of cooking process. Guys, bones falling apart. Check this out. It's really good. It's really good. I'm gonna add more sauce to it. All right, guys, it's ready, and it's ready to eat. Look at this. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Check this out. Check this out, guys. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at this meat just falling apart. Check this out. Hey guys, time to eat. Thank you. 잘 먹겠습니다. Check this out. Oh my God, just falling apart. Nice. Look at this. Oh my God.